All right, man. So the past couple of days, man, I've been really working with my markers. Just bought a new set of markers and I've been really trying to test them out. But of course, I work more in the digital space. So today I'm going to take this drawing and make it digital.
Yeah, flex. I just wanna win. Yeah, LABB, who we run.
Alright, so the first thing I gotta do is I have to take a picture of this thing so I can go ahead and throw it in Procreate. I took a few pictures. They're all the same. I just tried to find something that I could really work with and I could trace over. Alright, so then we're gonna open up Procreate. I typically use an 18 by 24 art frame when I'm trying to do anything like extravagant or colorful. I just expand my image to kind of fit the whole page. So I want to use the same color samples that's in my drawing. So all you have to do is hit the palette button and then you want to hit the plus on the top right corner. And next you want to press new from photo. Procreate will extract the colors from your selected photo. Alright, now that we have everything situated, you want to drop the opacity for your photo and we want to use the Studio Brush pencil. That is a default brush pencil that you can get straight out the box for Procreate. We're going to use that and we're simply just going to trace over our image. Since it's already drawn, I'm just going to go ahead and just trace over it. It's easy work from there.
Knocking on the door, it came in, I came in, did it like the Porsches coming in. Yeah, flex. I just wanna win. Yeah, LABB, who we running with. Yeah, 2233, I'm on 10 again. Okay, alright. Coming in.
Creating the outlines happens to be the most peaceful but can be very tedious when you're doing any type of illustration because you're really setting those boundaries with your work, man. Because if your outline is janky, it's not going to look good. It's going to reflect in your work. So, taking pride in doing good outline work or line work is a plus when it comes to digital art. In any type of art form, to be honest, but digital art especially.
Started and look where we at. I could see where we headed, but I can't see me finish. 3 years ago, I was down on my last, was stuck at the crib. I couldn't get out of my bed. Then I realized it's all in my head, and I can't go back to the past.
All right, so now that I've completed my line work, man, it's time to throw some color in this bad boy. So now I'm gonna use a couple of those sample colors that I've had from the image that I imported. In the beginning, I explained how to export these colors. I'm just gonna try to play with the colors, man, change them around, see if I like them. If I don't, I'll probably alter it up. But I'm just gonna stick to what I got right now.
I'm at the summit, I'm thumbing my budget, my nigga. It's nothing, just part of my. I need a minute. I know they live it, admit it, I'm teed up. Little baby, she a teaser. Tell her to follow the leader. I put that weight on my shoulders, so let's run up the check in my knees, yeah. Really not nobody real, it feel like the stars aligning, you can see, yeah. Just look at the drip. Niggas is lit. I've been on 10. I'm active, yeah. Sliding that thing. Tell them to step back, cause I'm out of their range. I'm batting again, yeah.
Now that we have our flat colors laid out, man, we want to think about our shadows. This is the best part in creating digital work because it really puts your work in perspective of just depth of field and just range of dimension and all this stuff. So, it's an easy step when it comes to Procreate. All you have to do is to create a new layer and then make that layer a clipping mask and put that layer above your color layer. And what that would do, it just creates a container so whenever you're creating that shadow or whatever, it doesn't bleed out of that color. So I'm going to show you a demonstration. Just pay attention and we'll see what happens. So you may be wondering why I'm only coloring just the SpongeBob portion. Well, my goal was to kind of just get an idea of how things would look. I didn't want to go all over the place, so I just wanted to focus on one spot first before I start to dibble and dabble in different colors on the other side. So yeah, that was my logic behind that. So now I'm just going to add the same shading process on the other side to kind of finish this thing up. It's starting to look really good so far. Alright y'all, so I'm adding the last bit of touches on here. It turned out really good. If you want to see more videos like this, I suggest you bookmark my channel by subscribing. If you like this video, show some support by hitting that thumb button. And if you have anything to say, if any feedback, any suggestions, anything you want to see in the future, any questions, feel free to reach out to me with the comments. I always try to engage with my audience and let them know what they should do or what I need to do to be better. But I appreciate you guys locking in with me, and I'll catch you on the next one.